28. People are still going outside for lunch, but decided I'd go out real quick. See this? This is like real bad over here. It looks even worse in real life, but even nearby it looks pretty bad, and it smells a bit. Getting even worse. Home, 3 on the dot right now, 3 o'clock. This is the sky. Looks more orange in real life. The sun is out. I noticed it while on the bus like 20 minutes ago. I hope it stays out, and I hope to see the moon. The camera's like zooming in on it. It was worse. I think it was at its like worst, or it was like the darkest at like 150. Like 150. It probably was like at its darkest before it started getting like lighter out. But I was in middle of class, so I couldn't film at like 140, 145, or 150, or whenever it was like at its darkest. Sun's moved. It's been about 4 minutes. In real life, I think it actually looks a little bit more orange now than it did just 4 minutes ago. I don't know, it says like the air quality is like only like 160, I think the last time I checked at like, I don't know when the last time I checked, but I checked not even too long ago, I'm sure, and I think it was like only like 160 or 150 something. That has to be wrong, especially in how dark it got not even too long ago. Looks like the sky's finally got like orange enough, or there's like finally enough smoke for the camera to actually be able to tell, like, and all that, because yesterday it had a harder time actually seeing where it was hazy or if it was like orange.